Dude, what's up guys? I'm just going to be showing you guys how to make cool text like I have on the screen right now. So the first way you can do it is by so you want to go titles and then not scroll, not middle low. You want to go to text plus. Add that in right here, okay? So like this is just normal like that. And davinci is on, guys. So you want to go to like see like I'm just gonna type potato. So look at this, just like you can fade it in, but if you add a if you go to the filters, you can go to like light rays. Look at this, so you can have this one right here, or this is my favorite one right here. So now you can just kind of like wait. So right now I'm just gonna go to title. So I'm just gonna say so right now I could probably just go to like this and just go. Just go to please right there. And I can just chop like this, and then like this. And then I can just do this. Cut it right there. Do this. So Control C. Look at this now. So now I just gotta go to. I gotta do that right there. I gotta go to glow right here. Look at this. So please subscribe. And then you guys can just copy and paste it like that. Look at this. And then you guys can add glow and the light rays too. So now I'll do like extra glow. So please subscribe. So yeah, guys. So and another cool effect that you can also do with it is this isn't for titles, but this is like for videos and stuff. But like, let's say like I can just wait, honey. Like I can do like wait, what's this again? Okay, so let's add this first. So let's add this, right? So like look at this. So right here, if you play the video and you pause it, you can just like add like a few, or like add none, and then you can do it again. This is gonna be the keyframe. Look at this. So it just builds up with it, and then right here you can just add way more to it, and you can just add way more. But guys, so guys, how about this thing right here? So look at this right here. Right now we can probably do like, so the keyframe right here we would like zoom in like that. And then right here we would unzoom like that, and that would be a keyframe right there. And then we would be like edit out. This would look like in total. So now so here it would just be like, so keyframe right now would be like out. So this is how to like get like those cool things right there. But yeah, so like you can just do that, back out, and then here you can just add like your filters, zoom blur, and then you can just do this, look. But also with zoom blur, if you want to try to make like the zoom blur work like other YouTubers, you all you want to do is just like this. Add zoom blur and look at this. Like it'll be like what other YouTubers do. Like if you look at the start of the video, you'll just see like a little bit of blur things, and then it'll get back into it. So like, and then you'd be able to do that. So yeah, this is like how to like make like those cool things and stuff. Okay guys, so I'm like right now I'm back. So if you look at that like the Duolingo thing, like you know Duolingo got revived. Like if you guys want to like kind of set like a keyframe to zoom into it like this, and then you'll zoom in more, and then from this you'll just keep going, and then with this right, and then with this wait, and with this you'll set a keyframe to do like the position will just go like up, up, zoom, up, zoom, up, zoom, and then we'll just start to move the keyframe like this, and we'll just zoom it out. And then we'll just be able to do that. So now this is what it'll look like in total. Yeah guys, so that's how like you make a clean transition. Or you can add it to like this right here. Be able to like zoom in. Set keyframe. Just want to zoom out like this. This is what it'll be like in total. And then and if you want to have kind of like a stamp, this should be like a stamp right here. So like to make it like a stamp, right here you just want about it. You're just gonna try to make a zoom in, out, in, out, in, out. That'd be a stamp. So this is what it is in total. Wait, so like I would zoom in and like a little bit back out. So this is what it'll look like. You guys get it, but like if you would also be like, you know, like for this part, like right here, you'd also be able to like try to like you can set a stamp out with it, but like just letting you guys know, like this is what like the davinci Resolve thing is trying to show you. And peace.